हेलो किड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे नए वीडियो में। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं ABCD एंड नंबर्स 1 2 3 4। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। A for apple. B for balloon. C for candy. D for donut. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Alphabet E for eagle. F for fire. G for goat. H for hen. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. A B C D 1 2 3 4. E F G H 5 6 7 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Kids, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं ABCD A to Z alphabets. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for donut. D for donut. E for eagle. E for eagle. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for man. M for man. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.